Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to design phishing simulations that really work. You'll learn how to build trust, encourage participation, and create a program that truly strengthens your security culture. Let's start with the basics. Phishing simulations are a key part of security awareness training. Done well, they teach people to recognize threats in a safe, supportive environment. But when done poorly, they can backfire, damaging trust and creating fear. That's why psychological safety is so important. Employees need to know that phishing simulations are a learning tool, not a trap. Mistakes are expected, and the goal isn't to punish anyone. It's to learn and grow together. Let's discuss some best practices for designing simulations. Be clear that simulations are a learning tool and that clicking is part of the learning process. This will help you create a positive and encouraging security culture that supports behavior change. Make sure reporting is easy. Teach your employees how to find and use the Hoxhunt button, and explain how reporting helps protect the entire organization. Instant feedback matters too. After someone reports or clicks, offer a quick, clear explanation. What red flags were there? Why did it look suspicious? What should they look for next time? Avoid gotcha scenarios. Your goal isn't to trick users, it's to train them. Balance difficulty with fairness and always prioritize learning. Next, customize. Tailor simulations to your specific environment. Consider your company's tools, workflows, and risk areas. A logistics company might face different threats than a law firm, and your simulations should reflect that. Let's talk about designing the simulations themselves. Start with realism. Use templates that mimic actual phishing techniques, like urgent requests from executives, fake login pages, or unexpected file shares. The more realistic, the better the learning impact. But start simple. Early simulations should build confidence, not confusion. Over time, you can increase complexity to keep things challenging and relevant. Next, let's look at how you can create a tailored simulation using Hoxhunt's simulation creation tool. You can find the tool under Simulation Management in the admin portal. Click on the plus sign to start creating your customized phishing simulation. First, give your simulation a descriptive and short name. Next, choose your sender. For this example, we are going to use the HR manager role. Now it's time to think of an interesting subject for your simulation. Remember, your goal here is to get the recipient's attention. After you have decided on your subject, it's time to write the message itself. To make your simulations more convincing, you can use dynamic placeholders to tailor your messages. Here, we're using the recipient's name. You will, of course, need to include some kind of fail mechanism for your phishing simulation. In this example, we're using a simple link. And finally, we'll sign off with our HR manager's name and the company's address. You can preview your phishing simulation and select a language, job function, and difficulty for it. Last but not least, we'll save the message and send it to ourselves to test it. There you have it. Want to take your simulations to the next level? Try thinking like an attacker. This is called applying the hacker mindset. Ask yourself, if I wanted to make someone in this company act on an email, what tactics would I use? What systems would I target? What tone would I take? Design simulations from the attacker's point of view, not to scare, but to better prepare your team for real-world tactics. It's one of the most powerful ways to improve detection skills. Now, how do you get started? Begin with clear goals. What do you want your employees to learn? What is the behavior change you want to see? Then, think how you can measure it. Click rates, report rates, and risk reduction over time are just some examples or metrics you could track. Run simulations regularly. Monthly is a good baseline. Remember to vary the scenarios to avoid predictability. Over time, you'll build habits and resilience. And don't forget feedback. Ask employees what helped them spot a phish or what tricked them. Use that input to improve future campaigns. Finally, reinforce a culture of learning. Remind people that security is everyone's job and every report helps. Thanks for joining. With thoughtful design and the right mindset, phishing simulations can become one of your strongest tools for building a more secure organization. If you want to learn more about designing phishing simulations that drive behavior change, you can learn more in our knowledge base or reach out to your customer success manager. Happy hunting!